Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melody. You're here at Life with Melo, and you already know what we do on this channel. All right, today guys, I'm gonna do homemade toffee. It's like homemade milk candy. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Let's go. So for this, we're gonna need milk, this is sweetening condensed milk. I hope I'm pronouncing right. You know that English is not my first language, so forgive me. It says sweetening condensed milk. Okay, so it's sweet milk. We're gonna use milk and salt. That's all we need for our toffee, our milk candy. I'm not a pro on this, honestly, but I just try my best and I love it. Since it's for just for me, so let me show you how I do it. So we just need milk and salt, and we also need oil, just a little bit of oil. Milk, salt, oil. Yes. So the milk is from Sam's Club. You can find it at Giants, Walmart, anywhere, any store. So this one is from Sam's Club. Let me add a little bit of oil here. You're gonna need it. A little oil here. Oh, this is too much. Just a little oil here. So I did watch this previously. So a little oil and a little oil here. This is where I'm going to put the candy once I'm done. So a little bit oil here too. I'm gonna put this aside. A little oil here too. Just a little. Let me see. I think that's enough. So now we're gonna add the milk to the oil. I'm gonna add a little spicy. This is my choice, so don't add any spicy. That's just me. You don't supposed to add any spicy. That's why I said only oil, milk, and salt. But I just like spicy though, so yeah. So I'm gonna add a little salt, just a little, and that's it. Now it's time to start mixing. So you mix until the color change. if you can see the color is changed here already. Look at this, guys. The color is changing, so I will continue until it changes completely. Guys, we are almost there. Almost there. Yes. 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 Comme ça. Guys, we are almost there. You see the color is completely changed. It looks like orange now. You done? What? Guys, I think it's time to get this out of here. The color is changed. It's completely changed. So, yes. What do you want? You done? Okay. Okay. Guys, it's ready. I reckon it's ready. Look. So let's go and at this point you have to do fast. Don't let this get hard. So I had to do fast, but this kid, oh god, That's why I said last time that I need nanny. Honestly, I need someone to take care of them when I'm doing stuff like this.
Mommy,
Yes.
Sunny will be there.
Son, what are you doing there?
Someone.
So at this point, you have to be really fast.
Mommy,
Not
someone.
Sammy. You are too much. You are doing too much now.
Mommy, what's that?
Don't touch anything there.
Mommy, what's that?
It's toffee.
It's coffee?
That's milk toffee.
Milk coffee?
So you can give it the shape you want, any shape you want. So since this thing is hard, I don't want to touch it with my hand, so I use the spoon to give it a shape, any shape. I don't care about the shape though, because it's just for me, so I don't care about the shape. But this is for selling. You have to give it a nice shape so your customer can buy. But this is just for me, so I don't really care about the shape. Don't touch it with your hand, or it's really hard and you can burn. So I just use this plastic spoon to do what I have to do. It is so I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Let me put this here. Too much noise. This kitten. So let's give it a shape. Mine. So this is like candy. You eat it and it's so sweet. Like it's milk. It's toffee. It's milk candy. Delicious. Homemade. And you eat your thing. Homemade. Let me see if I can do one like for my son. I want to do one for my son. Like, let me cut this. Let me see. This. Let me see if I can do it. It's so hard. Damn. Guys, this is so hard. I don't know. I want to do one. No. I don't think this can hold it. No. It's not working. Alright. Ash. You can use your hand if you want, but it's so hard. So. But you have to put some oil on your hands. I have oil on my hands already, so it's easy. And we are done, guys. That's it. Then you have your candy. Hey, Sammy. Too much noise. You will wake your brother up. Your brother is sleeping. Don't make noise. That's how they do every time. And keep waking up the poor baby. The poor baby cannot even sleep. And this is the last one. Alright guys, let me show you. You see? So we're gonna let it get hard. So we're gonna leave it like this. And it will get hard like in 10 to 15 minutes. Once it get hard, you put it in something, in a small container. and every time you want it, you just pick and eat. You see? So we're gonna leave it to get hard for 30 or 1 hour. Let's say 30 minutes. So I'll see you in 30 minutes. Guys, now the candy is ready. You wanna see it? Are you ready to see it? So let me show you. It's here. Let me place the camera. Look. It is here. You can hear the noise now. See, it's hard. See? It's ready. See? You can hear the noise. So let me try one. Let me try one. Let me take the small. This. Perfect. And the good thing, milk doesn't cost. You can buy it at Sam's Club for $9. No one. There is 6 or 8 inside the bag for $9. You can go to the store and buy just one for $2, I think, $2 or $1 something, and you make your toffee by yourself. And you eat it. It's so delicious, so sweet, guys. But be careful with your teeth. If you don't have good teeth, don't eat it. Oh. Because it's sweet. And don't eat it at night. Eat it in the daytime. Very good, sweet, yummy. I love it. Perfect. Let me show you again. Perfect. So I'm gonna store them here inside this. It's so delicious, guys. So yummy. I can eat everything in one day, just one day. But I don't want to do this to my teeth. My teeth don't deserve this. They don't deserve this at all. Look. So I put them here. Close it. Down. I have my homemade toffee. Sweet, yummy, delicious. Perfect. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. You enjoy it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friend, your family member, And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.